Good morning class. So beta we were discussing about the data collection method of statistics. Okay. So in that we have discussed about the direct personal investigation method and indirect oral investigation method. Today we are going to discuss about the information from local source. Okay, this is the third method of collecting the data. What happens in this method is, under this method the investigator appoints local person or correspondents at different places. They collect information in their own way and furnish the same to the investigator. Okay, what happens in this? When your research area or your investigation area is large, in that case you can't go personally to each and every place. So in that case, what you do, you appoint some local person as a representative, and that local person will provide you the information. Okay, whatever data you want to collect, you can collect this from the local source. Okay beta, where this method is suitable. So this method is suitable when regular and continuous information is needed. Whenever you want regular and continuous information, in that case you can use this method. By applying this method or by using this method, you can collect the data. Second suitability is when area of investigation is large. If the area of investigation is large, then also you can use this method. Okay, and then the third one is beta, the information is to be used by the journals, magazine, radio, etc. And fourth is a very high degree of accuracy of information is not required. When you don't need to have high degree of accuracy of information, in that case you can use this method. Now what will be the merits? Okay, we can say what are the merits of information from local sources method. So here we can say the first benefit is economical. Okay, economy is one of the example of informative or merit of informative information from local sources. Okay, because you don't need to spend too much amount on collecting the data. Then second one is beta, wide coverage. Wide coverage is what? And this method allow a fairly wide coverage of investigation. Okay, you can cover a vast area in this or through this system. Okay, and then the third merit is continuity. Okay, the correspondents keep on supplying almost regular information. Whenever you appointed any of the mediator or any of the local source, then he will provide you detail continuously. Okay, so these are some merit of this method. When merits are there, then definitely demerits will also be there. So the very first demerit of this method is loss of originality. Whenever you are collecting or asking anyone to provide you the data, then it is not sure that he or she will provide you the accurate or original data. Okay, and then second one we can say lack of uniformity, okay, it is not sure that you will get the uniform data which we were taking or we were collecting in direct personal investigation method. Okay, and third one is maybe possible it is less accurate or less accuracy. Okay, it is not surety that whatever data you are collecting, it should be accurate. Okay, so these are some merit and demerit of information from local source.